up, brother?
Yeah, man.
Dude, it's a big night. Are you nervous?
Yeah, to be honest with you, I'm actually pretty nervous. It has been a while.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so where are you going?
I'm gonna have some people set up dinner on the back porch.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, she won't expect it at all.
You found my arms, stole my heart, and I'm yours. You're my princess, so everlasting, and I'm yours. When the world has got me down, I hold on to the world, and I'm yours.
You are so beautiful. Wow, look at your shoes. Oh my! Oh.
Hi, Dad.
When'd you get so cute?
Mom did that for me.
I love you.
Are you ready to get ready for the date?
I am ready for the date. Okay.
Little light, big enough to see right through. I just need to hear from you, the sound of your breathing. Little hands, big enough to hold my heart, to hold back all the stars, cover the scars with you in my